Kulang yun.
Go.
Okay.
Go kaya?
James, congratulations for your new endorsement. What can you say that 2015 has been a very good year for you so far?
So far, 2014 is my big year.
Oh,
Hopefully, that'll change.
why? Why 2014 not 2015?
2014 is when it all happened.
Uh-uh.
2 movies in a year and blockbuster movies and that. So much has happened for me. 2015, hopefully will be better.
James, ang daming nagtatanong kailan daw i-showin yung movie niya ni Jaylin kasi parang naurong na ng
Paris
naurong.
of This Romance.
Yes.
Yes. It will be out May 13th.
Okay.
So don't miss it. Really excited.
Okay. Originally, di ba parang before Valentine's Day? What's the reason daw ba? Bakit parang na-move? Nag-resume ba kayo ng scenes?
Yeah, we also reshot some scenes. We want to change it up a bit. Make it So
Okay.
it just so happens that I release on May 13th.
So, mas excited na ang fans niyo?
Oh, they're very excited. They can't wait. But just like us, I can't wait for the fans. It's very different from the last movie.
Okay.
Do you have a teleserye on ABS?
Yes,
Coming?
I'm shooting very soon. In the next few weeks, I'll be starting On the Wings of Love. Yes.
With
With Nadine.
and
Also, a series.
Joel Torre.
Joel Torre, it's Cherry Pie. Yes, there's a lot. Arjo Type, yes.
James, for now, how careful are you on your posts on Instagram and Twitter?
Pretty careful, especially after my last slip up. So yeah, pretty careful.
So it's think before you click for you
Something
now.
like that, yes. But don't post when you're upset.
Oh, you're upset.
No, don't post when you're upset.
Just how you make time for yourself. You haven't really done. You've been working.
I don't have time for myself. Not really, yeah. Because when I get home, I get as much sleep as possible. But my alone time, in the gym.
This summer, what are your
That I really get to stress, just being myself, not think about anything.
If you don't masking, how would you find time for your love life? Love life. How would you find time for your love
There
life?
is no love, there's no time for my love life right now.
There's no love life at all.
No,
You don't get day offs anymore?
no. I don't get day offs.
Wow.
My next day off will be Holy Week. But I enjoy what I do.
Where
so
to?
have fun.
Where to in Hollywood?
I haven't decided yet. I'll let you know.
Any places you want to visit this summer or
There are a lot of
explore?
places in the Philippines that I still want to
Like that you.
visit. I haven't visited Coron.
You want to go to Coron?